Right, hello, it's the £1 Gamer again, and a quick 3D printer update. So my first 3D print, all the way from beginning to the end, has come out perfectly. So this is a holder or a helper for an insulin needle, and it's a Nova Rapid 5 helper, and this printed in 1 hour and 48 minutes, just below 1 hour and 48 minutes, on 100% speed on the extrusion and nozzle. And I'm printing another one in blue, and I've stepped the speed up to 150%, and as you can see, this is doing really well. And I started that at 10 to 7 and it's now 7:46, and it's done about halfway, so it's doing really well. And yeah, that's my first complete perfect print for my wife, and hopefully this finishes to the end. So what I'm going to have to do, she has 2 needle pens. The one that I made this for is perfect for that, it's perfect sized. But she has another one that's a little bit too wide for that. So I'm going to make another one in blue and hopefully sand that down in the middle so it fits both, and plus she'll be able to tell the difference between the colours. So yeah. And I did a case for her tablets, and that unfortunately fell over about 3 minutes to the end. But I sorted it out and modified it with a soldering iron, so she's using that now. But I'm hoping this will go as well as this one. So thank you for watching, and have a good day.